Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieved these spring twists on my homegirl's hair. These are a little different from passion twists. They are a little tighter. However, you kind of still get the same look. But I thought these were really cute, and this more like a tighter curl, so you don't have to worry about your twist unraveling and coming loose how it is with passion twists. So these are a little smaller, so keep that in mind. Just watch me how I achieve this look. So I use this kind of crochet hair, which is Spring Twist by Kemma, and this is how it looks like just out of the package. It is separated just like this. For these to be a little longer, I did stretch it. So as you see here, I'm just pulling the hair, kind of teasing it to stretch it so that I can get the twist a little longer. Now, I did see some people on YouTube actually just separate the hair and put it into two, but I decided to stretch it. These are the products that I use with some holding spray, edge booster, black gel, and some Gorilla Snot, and I will explain how I use it in the video. So she's starting off on freshly washed hair, and I divided her hair into 4 sections, and I'm working on the front. Again, these twists are a little smaller, so if you do want something bigger, you have to use more than one piece of hair, or use more than one piece of hair. I used one piece of hair per section, and with these, I started off with the twist. Dang, no, I didn't. Y'all, I start off with a braid, okay? Yeah, so I start off with a braid, and then I continue to twist the hair. I started off twisting to the left. However, all of the twists I end up having to twist to the right. I like twisting to the left. It's easier for me, but I had to twist to the right, trial and error, going back and forth. But with this type of hair, you do have to twist going towards the right. So all I'm doing is section off her hair using the Style Factor Edge Booster in between her parts. And if your parts aren't coming out really straight, just put some edge control on it and then repart it like this. And that's going to help get your parting straighter, because I do see a lot of people in my comments talking about parting hair. Just use some type of edge control and your parts will be straight, or you can get it straight. And to try to use like a red tail comb with a metal end. So as I twist down, I am adding some edge control and some what is it called? Gorilla Snot. The Gorilla Snot helped a lot. So that's what I started to put on the ends of her hair instead of the edge control. So I use edge control on her scalp, on the parts, the like perimeter area. And then I use some freeze spray, the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, and then I put the Gorilla Snot on her ends. As you can see here, I'm just sectioning off her hair with edge control and then twisting it around so I can already have my pre-made sections, and then I spray it with the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, because that way it helps me from the hair sliding down. So as you can see here, I'm gripping her hair pretty tight. However, when I start to twist the hair started to like slide down. So that's why I started to pre-make my sections and then spray, hold and spray, so that it'll help the hair stay into place. So that's what I did to this entire side, and in the back I just did her sections first. As you can see, they're pretty small, like medium size. So that's what I did first, and then went in and braided it. So again, these are the steps that I'm taking. I add some Style Factor Edge Control to her part and around the boxes, and like just kind of twist it at the root. And then I go in and add some freeze spray, and then I go in and I will start off with a braid, then separate the hair and finish into a twist. If you do mind the hair starting off with a braid, then just start off with a twist. I'm pretty sure that you can do the rubber band method on this as well and crochet the hair through and then twist it. That's another option if you do not like the style starting off with a braid. I thought it was fine, but you do have to keep in mind that you do have to braid the hair down a little farther than just like two little braids. Like you see how much I'm braiding here, like braiding down somewhat, and then I will split the hair and then start a twist. Cause if not, the twist will start to like slide down. So a couple key tips is to use the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. That helped a lot. And to use some Gorilla Snot on the ends, which I did in my last Passion Twist video. And that worked out really, really well. So like I said, I used one piece of hair per section. And then I also used a total of 3 packs of hair. Not a complete 3 packs, but almost 3 packs. And it took me, I believe, like 5.5 hours to complete this style. I really, really like this style versus like the Passion Twist, because this is a tighter curl, so you don't have to worry about your twist coming loose. The only thing I didn't like about this hair is that I had to twist to the right instead of the left, how I like. So now I'm just taking some of my edge control. That's not edge control. That is my hair growth oil, y'all. I'm sorry. It is early. It's like 5. Oh yeah, okay, it's 5:46. It's early. So here I'm just going through with that oil to make sure her style is protected, and now I'm just putting some oil sheen on the actual hair, because the hair didn't have but so much like shine to it. It was kind of like dry looking, so I did go in and add some oil sheen to the actual hair. But what do you guys think about spring twist? Which one do you like more? Do you like Passion Twist better, or do you like spring twist? I really like both, but I really like the spring twist because they're so small and cute. And I seen other girls do them, and their brace was even smaller than this. But I was like, sis. I know. Girls was like even splitting the hair 2-3 times. No, ma'am. That is a lot of hair, a lot of braids. But it also came out cute. But this way, it's like, it almost looks like Passion Twist because of the size, instead of spring twist are like a little bit smaller. But these are really, really cute. So you guys, let me know what you think about this look and what other braids you would like to see on my channel, because I did see a couple requests for spring twist, and I got you, girl. All right, guys, I love you, and bye.